Ito na ang aming ulam for first Ramadan fasting. Ito ang ulamin namin after ng aftari. Potatoes with ladyfinger curry. Ayan. And then, ulam din namin ito bukas pang siri, sohor. With chapati. Pero sa akin with rice. Hindi na ako magluluto ng rice kasi may rice pa ako kahapon. Ayan, nakagawa na din ako ng chapati. Sa akin rice. So, para ito sa kanila. Frying pakora. This is last batch. Ito lahat ang pakora. Pang aftari. We have two kinds of dates. This is more expensive and this one somebody give today, our neighbor. Every Ramadan, every year, he's giving 1 kilogram of this kind of dates. And this one, Fahad, he buy yesterday. I don't know how much 1 kilo of this one. But this one is, I think, is more expensive. Ayan, naubos. Kunti na lang natira sa 1 jug na sherbet o kaya itong juice. Ito kasi yung pang open fasting at saka sabayan ng pakora. 1 hot pot na ubos. And then with homemade chutney, masarap itong chutney. May tomato, may onions, tapos coriander leaves, and then chili powder. Ayan. At saka ito yung pang open fasting dates. Isa o dalawa lang ang kakainin nito, tapos inom ng tubig o kaya juice. Kaya alhamdulillah nakaraos kami sa first fasting.